Okay, just a quick video to show you how to do bulk changes to your videos. If you're on your YouTube dashboard, just click on videos and then you can select all your videos there. But before you do, it says 50 selected for me, and that's fine, so that's the maximum it'll allow you on a page. But you may find you've only got 10 or perhaps 30. If you scroll down to the bottom of the list, you'll find there's a little pop-up menu where you can choose up to a maximum of 50. It would be nice if we could choose more, but 50 is the maximum at the moment, which is still not bad. You can make change to 50 videos at a time. So once you've selected that checkbox, make sure all those videos on that page are selected. You need to go to Edit and down to Ad Settings. Update the location of ads. Now, for me, it's saying turn all the videos on for a video, or the mid-rolls on. I've already got all my mid-rolls off. So what you want to do, if you want to turn your mid-rolls off, you make sure that's unchecked, and then you would come over here, I'll just move this over a little bit, and you would click on Update Videos. It takes it a few seconds to go through them all, but it will update all those 50 videos with your current setting of turning mid-rolls off or whatever it might be. And then you repeat for your next 50 and so on. So even if you've got 500 videos, that's only 10 times you need to do that. Take you about 5 to 10 minutes max. All for now.